It's a long days, long hours, long days of work, but flying, rescue, give people help, rescue them, that was the reason I wanted to do this.
For the rescue missions, we are happy to have the Bell 429 because it's a powerful helicopter, a twin-engine helicopter, which is mandatory for the rescues. Especially here in this terrain in the Alps, we have no chance to get to our patients in any other fashion. Walk to the patients or hike or make a terrestrial rescue takes hours or days. By means of the helicopter, we can reach the patient in between minutes, and we have also long distances to the hospitals. So it's also an important tool to get the patients not only from the mountains down here, but also the patients from the valleys to the main medical centers. So it's a very powerful instrument for us.
We need to perform almost every kind of medicine, but still we have the opportunity to keep the weight low and to perform the technical rescue as well. So we have ICU respirator, we have the monitor integrated with a defibrillator, so we can do cardiac pacing, we can defibrillate, we can send ECGs per email directly to the hospital, that the time is shorter to get to the cath lab. And we have syringe pumps just for patients. Often it's just when we do ICU transfers that they have continuous medication running.
So we had one mission where a climber fell down over 500 meters on steep ice wall and he survived, badly injured. He was lucky in a way that his fall was observed and we were on scene like 15 minutes later. Because of the rescue time and all the equipment we carried, we could do a full resuscitation on scene, and we transferred the patient to Bern, to one of the major university hospitals, and he's doing quite well even after that fall.
When you have done 4,500 rescue missions, it's difficult to take one particular rescue mission out, but what we have is we always remember the last one. And one of my last ones was up at 14,000 feet, where we had up to 60 knots of winds, and we had to rescue a very badly injured climber who fell down 60 meters. So we had to use a 130 meter long rope, more than 350 feet line. And there you try to find the best position into wind where the wind is still laminar. And of course, in this situation, the Bell is such a stable bird, it's an amazing.
If we talk about comfort for us as the medical team and of course for the patient, this helicopter is very stable even in high winds.
So that makes this helicopter a unique thing, and we love it. It's time saving, it's cost saving, and it's life saving. That's a big advantage of a helicopter.